Back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to summarize CSV files with ChatGPT Advanced Data Analysis. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to summarize CSV files with ChatGPT Advanced Data Analysis, all you can do is simply go to ChatGPT. Once you're in your ChatGPT, all you can do is simply upload your CSV file. Once you've uploaded your CSV file with ChatGPT Advanced Data Analysis, you can simply click on the send button and get the answers accordingly. You need to specifically ask questions about the data, such as requesting a summary of a key column or asking for trends and outliers. After you have done this, you can simply ensure that your CSV is clean and ready for analysis, as this gives you the best results and provide clear prompts for what you find or what you need to find. So this way you can simply summarize CSV files with ChatGPT Advanced Data Analysis. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.